All right.
Like 10 seconds.
13.
Are you recording this?
I am recording it.
Go turn off the bathroom.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
2, 1. Whoa!
Wow.
It's not New Year's yet.
Yes, it is.
Happy
Their
New
clock's
Year,
wrong.
Bailey.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
But it's not New Year.
Happy New Year.
It is?
Happy New Year. It's New Year's.
Yay! 2026.
Woohoo!
Wait, let's see the ball drop. 8, 7, 6.
I guess that's the ball.
2026.
Alright, so that's the ball dropping. And that is the Washington Monument. And the fireworks
Those are pretty.
over the White House. These are the fireworks Donald Trump is watching live.
Rainbow ones. Mwah! Happy New Year, Bailey.
Design. Happy New Year, Hank. Happy New Year, Hank.
Oh, it's a big candle. That's what they said. They made it look like a birthday candle.
Well, it's 250 years. The new.
2026.
Wow.
January 1st.
Oh my gosh, Bailey.
Remember when it was like 20?
Look, they're all red, white, and bluish. Well, no, those are green.
That would make sense.
Ooh, those
I don't
are
see
pretty.
any white.
Ooh, look
Happy.
at the ones down low. Ooh, those are pretty.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. These are better than durable game lights.
I wonder if Trump's just hanging out on the lawn. What do you think? Where do you think he's watching it from?
He'd be at his house.
I mean, at his house.
His White House, right there. He can see it from his White House.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying where in the White House? Do you think he's just hanging out on the lawn or what?
He's out the window.
You think he's just out the window? I know he's at his house. I'm saying, where do you think in his house he is?
Those are neat. Look at those sprinkle ones.
2020. I don't get it. It's gone so fast. It's going very fast.
The older you get, the faster it goes.
I remember last New Year's.
Yeah.
We counted down 5, 4.
You could probably zoom in a little, hun, so the video's not just that building.
It's 2025. It's 2026.
Like about there?
Yeah, that's
Want closer?
People still there.
You know, fireworks, when you're watching them on the television screen, never interesting. Maybe it'll be more
Those are
interesting because they're next to the White House.
Those are really pretty. Those are cool. Those are bright. Right?
Happy New Year, everybody.
What did you bring back from
There's one really low too going off.
Shall I record the entire spectacle?
Up to you, hun. Ooh, there's a rainbow one.
Alright, let's see. Oh.
These are pretty. They're like sparkling.
They're intense.
Those are pretty.
Is that it? Is that it? Alright. That's all she wrote. Happy New Year.
They're going off.
Why is everyone
One's
honking?
across the river in Alexandria.
Oh, is that Alexandria? Okay.
I see them.
I can't see. It's far away. Oh, okay, I see. Alright, here we go. I see him. Where is this?
It's in Alexandria. It's across the Potomac.
Across the Potomac.
Oh, Bailey, right in my ear.
Well, there you have it. Those are the Across the Potomac fireworks.
Don't you hear everybody's
I hear
Those
people
are car
honking.
alarms going off.
Happy New Year's, Mom. Happy
I think we hear this. Oh, there's some over there going off
Where?
Where?
by that little white stick.
Not white
none.
stick.
There was one over there going off. I just saw. Are there any other ones?
No. I hear them going off.
6 minutes, but
Happy New Year.